March 24th. It is Saturday, and we have officially slept in the new house. What time is it? Oh, God. 11:34. I haven't even made my bed yet. I'll give you a little bit of the tour of the upstairs and what's kind of going on up here. Who's this? My daughter? My son, Evan, let me show you his room, is kind of coming together. We're still going to bring a couch for him. It's going to go here. He's putting all his clothes away. He actually ended up having my old dresser that was in my room, but we're going to paint it black for him and change the handles out for him, make it more sleek looking. So he's just organizing and really putting away his stuff. Going good, baby? Yeah. Sweating. His TV's hooked up. His little entertainment center. This is going to be when my son, my oldest, comes and visits. This is his bed. And then that's his dresser. He can keep clothes here so he doesn't have to keep bringing hose. Those are Aaron's? Okay. All right. Thank you. Let's see what's going on over here with my daughter. My daughter, she's kind of got everything set up a little bit. Let me pull these up because it's blocking the light of the camera a little bit. Okay, so we're going to buy her a nice comforter, something gray. Gray. Get her, she wants like a couple chairs, some kind of beanbag chairs, so when her friends come over, they have somewhere to sit and talk. And then she wants something right here on this wall, but maybe a desk, maybe something. She's not sure.
Maybe a shelf, but like horizontal.
Oh, like, yeah. Really good idea. So she's taking everything out of her room. So that's that. God, you have so much more room, sweetheart. It's really nice. Okay, the bathroom in here hasn't even been touched, so yeah. My room, yeah, we just kind of threw everything in my closet. That's like a makeshift kind of thing here. I'm not going to keep that. I'm actually going to buy from IKEA. I'm just going to buy a topper. I'll show you guys. And then my computer is going to be over here. This is my eBay and my computer. My printer will not be going there. TV is still on the floor. That's going to go up on the wall. But I don't know what I'm going to put here. I don't know. Not sure. I'm not sure. Oh, you want to see the bathroom? Oh, good Lord. We all took baths or showers here. I put my dirty clothes here. Look at this. Look at this. It's a disaster. Oh, let's go downstairs. Might as well go down. Oh, wait. Got my son's room over here. Boxes still here. My son's room, that's going to be moved. I think he's going to want his TV and everything set up here. His computer, of course, his computer has already got to be propped up and ready to go. You can actually put your dirty clothes in there, okay?
Well, yeah, that's
okay. Yeah.
I'll put them in the closet.
And so this is his closet. He's got all this room. That's insane, huh?
It's just like these ones fit.
Make a stack for me of stuff you don't want, okay? And then I'll go through it, okay? All right, guys, let's go downstairs. Where's Molly? You don't know? Okay.
If I finish up with my room, I can go ride my bike.
You gonna ride your bike? Okay. It's a really nice place to ride his bike too. Okay, so we're in the family room. The kitchen is a disaster. You should have seen this. I should have recorded it. My dog food, my baby's kibbles. We just kind of laid it out here for now. Anyways, we would get some chairs, and we got this bench over here, and then my husband brought over his little couch, and we got boxes, and we made little makeshift tables, and we sort of ate, and I don't know where this sucker's going. I've got boxes. My table's not here yet. So that's kind of how it's looking. Yep. That's that. So that's the kitchen. Where's Molly? You haven't seen her?
I haven't seen her.
Okay. Hi, Chulo. There's Chulo. Anyway, this is where the washer and dryer.
And then that light bulb sucks. So I think
Yeah.
it's horrible. I don't even know what the heck that is.
So my husband's cleaning up the cabinets. Thank God I have such a hard-working husband. Thank you, honey.
You're welcome. You're lucky to have you.
I'm lucky to have you. Yes, I am.
You say to me.
I am lucky.
And I'm lucky too.
Oh, okay. We're lucky. We're lucky.
That's what I meant.
We're changing out the toilet seats. My mom's room, so far so good. I steam cleaned her carpet. I'm pretty sure, I think I told you. And let me tell you guys, when I steam cleaned this room here, this came out yellow. Like somebody was a heavy smoker. Really heavy smoker in here. And the whole thing came out yellow. So I got that off for her. That's mine. I don't know what I'm going to do with that. The living room is looking like this. Pretty rough. I mean, you should have seen us. We were so exhausted. Every single one of us. It was first my husband, myself, and my oldest. And that's all. And we were just, at some point, we just started throwing things. I think my tree is going to look so much more nicer in this house. It's just going to be able to notice it more. Anyways, that's how it's looking right now. I don't know where the furniture placement will go. Like, I don't know if I told you, but on the internet, I saw a house identical to this one. I mean, identical for sale. And I think they're selling it furnished. And so I was looking at the placement of the furniture, and they had the TV here. And then the couches went along that side. It was just really different. So I was just kind of getting ideas. But this room over here is the one that I really don't know how to really work with it. But they had a couch that was kind of going angled this way. Like that. And then the TV was there. It was neat. I like the way they did it. So I got some ideas. Anyways, guys, I'm going to go finish up upstairs. We are headed to Lowe's. Because we bought the wrong toilet seat cover. My husband needs something for the dryer to be able to hook up the dryer. And I want to see about getting some contact paper. Probably just for the bathrooms upstairs, because those were pretty bad. I'm pretty much done already. It's 12:48. I'm pretty much...
You mean done like you
I'm pretty much done. I'm pretty much done for the day. I'm feeling some kind of blah. I just can't get out of that.
You have your phone? I didn't take mine either.
Yeah, yours is right there on the
Yeah.
So we're just gonna run up there. It's actually a lot closer to us. Huh?
Yeah.
The Lowe's. And I don't know what else we need. Oh, I know what I want to look at. Just a couple things I want to look at.
Some light bulbs.
Light bulbs, but I also want to see what kind of splash they have for the back. And I want to see their stoves. Just to see. Just to see.
Yeah,
All right,
put
guys.
this on the landing?
My washer and dryer is in. Let me show you.
What's that?
Oh, I'll tell you what's been happening with me here in a minute. What time is it, sweetheart? We're gonna get something to eat right now.
KFC?
No, honey. 4:20. Well, maybe. I don't mind having them. Because it's fat. I need the fat.
Yeah, me too.
Be careful, sweetheart, please. I know.
It's your favorite tree.
Come on. Don't pull the tree. Let me show.
You just gotta make sure this thing's closed.
Oh, look at that.
Okay.
It's like raindrops.
Oh, it smells like laundry. I don't know why.
Because I
But...
turned it on.
Oh, yes.
Nostalgia.
Let me show you.
This, like, there's a big gap.
Oh,
You stay there.
Oh.
what's that?
See that?
They sell those little,
I'm just saying.
like a cover vent, they sell them.
Socks.
No, you can actually place them on there.
Oh, like a rubber thing.
Yeah.
Okay.
Haha. Oh, hello. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Look at that, guys. And I have room on top, you know. I'm super excited. I think he put the... Excuse me, guys. Oh, yeah. Oh, I'm not going to be able to... Can't reach that. You see the diamond?
Yes.
I want the TV center to the diamond. So you would want this couch, like it would be here, centered, right? And then you're gonna sit there with your yoga ball. And then the little couch would go here. Okay? So, and you'll have more than enough room because these tables are going to be gone.
So we're good with that?
Now listen, when you get your recliner, if eventually when you do, it would fit perfectly like that. And then I can even get my dining table up at some point.
So we don't need to
move that. No. Now, try to picture it the other way without moving it. So you try to picture that over there.
It's not big enough.
The problem is going to be when you put that over there, you're going to, if you have that open, you're going to get direct glare of the TV too, the light. But anyway, if you put that there, you put the long couch here, you put the small here, and then this is going to be the problem. So this way you could still see it.
I think we're good with that.
Okay. So what happened to me today is early in the morning when I got up, I had a donut. And then about 40 minutes later, I had Burger King fries and spicy chicken sandwich. That was so much carb overload that I went into hypoglycemia so quick. If I could have shown you my hands, that's really where I feel it in my hands and in my face. Not at an angle, honey, straight on.
But then you won't be able to see the TV.
That's how
straight on next to this?
No, sweetheart. Like we had it in a Royal. Exactly. Boom, boom,
We want a
boom.
Royal.
I'm sorry, did I say a Royal?
Yep.
We had it in a Mesquite. Boom, boom, boom.
Oh, well, it's not all the way back. Okay.
Yeah, it's not all the way.
Well, this would have to go back.
No, no, no. Enough to put this table in the back of that one. This little table right here, right here. I want that behind the small couch.
Aiden, can you grab this? You just put it
And
over there.
anyways, I became hypoglycemic so bad.
That other couch, the white one?
I haven't had that kind of episode in so long. It was unreal. So, my husband and I, we went to Lowe's to pick up a couple things. And let me tell you, while I was in Lowe's, I wanted out. I wanted to come home. I needed to lay down. I didn't feel good. My husband was talking about getting, you know, projects and whatever. And I was just like, don't ask me. I don't know anything. I don't want to know anything. And I took 2 ibuprofens. How long was I out for, sweetie?
I don't know.
Approximately.
I came back and I said,
I would.
Sabetta's like,
Uh-oh. She crying. Where are you, baby? Where are you? She cries. Where are you? Come here. Come here. Come on. There you are. There you are. She's going to get a haircut soon. Soon. Anyways, guys, that's what happened. I slept. I don't remember. How long was I asleep? Do you know, Savannah?
Like maybe 2?
2 hours. I felt like I couldn't even talk. I didn't want to talk. I don't want to know about boxes. I don't want to know about nothing. Now I feel better. I slept and that episode is gone. So we're going to have some fat.
KFC.
Maybe KFC or some kind of fat. That gets me going. I actually, my body's actually craving like
how's that?
chicken, like a chef salad. That's really kind of what I want. Well, a little bit more, just a tad bit more, guys.
So which side?
This that side. Okay. Now is the TV center to the entertainment center? I don't think
No,
so.
I had to.
So Aiden, move the TV over to there you go. Perfect. Okay, that looks really good. Let me show you. There it is right there.
We should have like a little coffee.
I'll come back, guys. Alright, guys, we're all doing showers right now. It is around 7:30ish. We had a KFC. My daughter wanted KFC. I am so sick of eating out. Are you? Oh. Okay. So sick of it. Right? Are you, honey?
Yes.
Okay, so this table is going to pose a big problem because I thought that the table was still could be I thought the leaf was on here, but it's not. This actually can go bigger. So I don't know. We're having trouble getting around over here. If my son needs to get up, it's like at a restaurant, you know, like in a booth. So like if my son needs to go, I need to get up because he can't come around. So I don't know what we're gonna do. Anyways, guys, that's pretty much it. I think go take her outside.
Okay, let's put this one
Pretty
inside
much.
that trash can.
Come on, guys. Come in. You gotta go pee. She's so scared. Comes a neighbor. She's probably like, why is this lady have a camera pointing at her son? Come on, Molly. Hurry up, sweet girl. You're okay. You're okay. She gets so freaked out so easily. Where does she go? Let me go. I feel like she needs to, I don't mean to sound gross, but she needs to poop, but she can't find a spot. And in the backyard, I don't trust to leave them back there yet. Molly? I don't trust to leave them back there yet because I don't, I don't trust the fence. I see big gaps in the fence. So in the front yard, let me show you. Ah, you guys can't see. I put my little table. I don't know if you can see that. Let me see. In front of our window. See that? I don't know if that's showing up. Okay, guys, that's it for today. I'm gonna say goodnight. Tomorrow's gonna be another busy day. What's new? But I will see you tomorrow, guys. Sorry the vlog wasn't all that very exciting. But I'll see you guys later. Bye.